Welcome to Git training. This training is all about version control system tools, Git and GitHub, and we will discuss what we are going to cover in this particular training, who can enroll this particular course, and what will you achieve after this course. So let's start with. Very first, in this particular training, we will discuss about the version control system. So version control system is a tool which will version your source code, right? After this, we will discuss why we need version control system. After this, we will completely cover the Git tool introduction, what is Git, why we use Git, and what is the application of using Git. We will see the complete configuration management of Git. Later on, we will discuss about the GitHub, which is a centralized repository for a Git. Then we will see how we can integrate the Git with the GitHub. After this, we will learn about the Git command line and Git commands. We will also understand the complete concept of branching and merging in Git. Later we will decide what is the rebase of code and how we can achieve this with the Git. After this, we will see how we can basically tag the branch or code in a Git and what is the application of tagging. We will also talk about the Git stash. And in the last, we will have some bonus lectures and frequently asked question lectures for you. So this is all the stuff we are going to cover in this particular course. Now anyone who is interested in the version control system, any software engineer, QA engineer, automation engineer, DevOps can enroll this particular course. If you are willing to learn the Git, then you can enroll this particular course. The only requirement to enroll this course is a good internet connection and your personal laptop, right? So that you can learn from us and practice it on your own laptop. Why you need your own laptop? Because sometimes we need to install the software and you should have the admin permission on that particular laptop. Else, no else knowledge like programming knowledge or any other tool knowledge is required to enroll this particular course. I hope you are going to love this course. Thank you guys. Thanks for your time.